Stay in your tax bracket.
Rolls Royce pull up, black boy hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father, didn't pull out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree, and if you would please like, comment, and subscribe. Me and my boyfriend were supposed to go on a date. If you can tell how ashy my hands are, mind your freaking business. I did my hair like this yesterday and I thought it was so cute. And since I am finally going to be going on this date with my man, I figured why not do a get ready with me for my dates, because we're gonna fix this, I'm gonna get clean, we're gonna shave, all of that good stuff, make sure we are good. You feel me? I feel like I'm not about to bore y'all like watching me brush my teeth, I feel like, but I will tell you what I use. So I use this Meant to Be by Hello, and for mouthwash, I may have shown this before, but I use Act. And you know what, I know the girlies love that one Thermafresh or TheraFresh, I don't know, but you know, I use Act. It's cheap, it works, it's cheap. I know what my tax bracket is. Okay, stay in your tax bracket. Okay, hello. Yes, I know I still look crazy. I did say I was gonna do a lip scrub before I got in the shower. I don't know if it's gonna focus on this, but we gonna see. Hopefully it did it. I found this at, I think like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something like that. And I use the Yuka app. Listen, I'm gonna spill a little bit of tea real quick, okay? I use the Yuka app so much to see what chemicals and stuff are in my, or rather are in products, period. And that usually kind of determines what I get and what I don't get. Some stuff is kind of like, okay, I'm just gonna get it anyways, but some stuff, And honestly, a lot of these products that these influencers be talking about, they are so full of things that are not good for you. This ranked 100 out of 100. I don't know where I'm gonna find it, but I'm gonna definitely try to find it again. And then after this lip scrub, I'm gonna also do a face mask, and I have on my cute little pink robe in my pink bathroom. Wait a minute, that kind of just made me so happy. Last but not least, let's put on this face mask before I get in the shower.
We can make time if you want to. I made up my mind and I want you.
I feel like you just can't tell me that doing a nice mask is not some of the best self-care. Like, yes, I don't know what it is. It's probably like the placebo effect, but something about putting on a face mask while I have my robe on just makes me feel so like luxurious or something. Cause this is not something I usually do. I mean, the mask is pretty regular, but like usually if I'm gonna put something on, I'm just standing here naked. I'm trying to romanticize my life and everything that's in it and a part of it, because I mean, obviously certain circumstances, you know, can prevent certain things and could like access to certain things, but that's not what we're talking about. I just feel like I have nice things, and there's no reason for me to feel like I don't have nice things. Essentially what I'm saying is I let social media dictate how I felt about my life and myself and the things that I had in comparison to what everybody else had and what everybody else was doing. And like I said in the previous video, I needed to stay in my own lane. I was letting comparison really just suck the fun out of everything. That's done. There's no point. I shouldn't have been in the first place, but it's definitely done. It is very hard not comparing yourself to other people sometimes, I will say that, but that is something that I am personally working on. And I don't want to feel like I don't have nice things. I have nice things. I want to romanticize my routines and my products, like using them, like, because why not? I should not be letting anybody dictate how I feel about my own stuff in my own space and in my own skin. I took a really good shower and shaved my underarms and legs and stuff. Did a good little body scrub. I'm about to fix my hair before I get dressed. This is usually just how I do it because it's easy. easier for me to do it like this. Comment down below if you feel like this, but the hair has to match the outfit. What's good?
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. Really, I'm a secret biggest fantasy friend. We can chill with everyone. I need someone intimate. You got all the taste for thugging types you get so fan. Well, I'm thugging to the beach. Baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell. I can lose seeing you with gasoline.
Don't judge my room, because it's low-key a mess. But I'm about to get dressed. I just got stuff everywhere. How embarrassing. I have tights, but did I wash up here and just throw them in my hair? Because that would be even better. Found tights. I hope these don't have like a split in them, because putting them on and then taking them back off to put on another pair is just not giving. Nope. These do got a split in them. Never mind. I don't know why. I think I'm having like some real bad body dysmorphia because I just feel so big right now. I'm trying to see how I feel about this outfit. I love a good button up. I'm at this point in life where I'm pretty sure I need new ones. I don't know if I've worn this, so let's see how I feel about it. I know I'm playing a dangerous game because I do not be wrapping my hair up when I be trying on my clothes. And I just feel like, girl. Okay, I don't think I like it. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't even want to show y'all what it looked like. Because, no. I don't think it's given. I don't know. This sweater is definitely very warm. I will give it that because it's like a nice day, but I know it's gonna get colder. I'm thinking. I decided that I do like it. I'm gonna keep this sweater on. Hold on, I'm trying to fix the white button up because it's wrinkly and I'm just not gonna iron it because I don't care that much. I got on these thigh-high socks from Target. I'm gonna wear these boots. I do like it. I feel cute. I'm so jealous of the girls who do shit like this on camera and it just be looking all cute because baby, now you struggling. I'm gonna be honest, I actually kind of want some more piercings, but at the same time, no I don't because I'm scared. Would I be cute with a septum piercing? Be honest, please comment down below because I want to get a fake one to see how I like it, but we'll see. I also thought I would be cute with a smiley at one point, but I don't think I can take the pain of that. Where is it? I feel like my face looks super fat right now. Let me not do that ever again. I'm gonna do this Kayali tobacco oud mixed with milk. It's gonna be smoky and creamy smelling kinda. Just know the combination eats, okay? People be sleeping on commodity. Commodity is really that girl. If we ask God for it, he has given it to us already. I would love to collab with Commodity. I think I would cry because I love their perfumes and this was like the perfume that I got. No influence from anybody. I literally blind buy all the Commodity stuff and just loved it. Haven't returned any of it. And then I'm trying to get 2 more during this Sephora sale. But yeah, I love this brand. Would love to work with them in the future because they eat down like so good. When I tell y'all this scent is so faint, but it is definitely one of my favorites. Let's see if this will just girly it up a little bit. That's better.
for blessing us. Thank you for allowing us to come here together. Thank you for allowing us to remember, pray, let us pray, always. Amen.